The HTML monitor enables you to monitor and archive specific data points on any page. Any field on a web page can be tracked for changes, making this ideal for monitoring prices, financial indicators, or product availability. To get started, select HTML element monitoring. Then enter the URL you want to monitor and click Preview. Once the page is loaded, click the area you want to monitor. Based on your objective, you can select the frequency of the checks from every 3 months down to 5 minutes for rapidly changing pages. Then click Start Monitoring to get started. Hexawatch will keep an eye on the page and will notify you when the specific elements on the page change. The HTML monitor also provides advanced settings. If your selection contains any unwanted characters or text, right-click on the element and click Show Elements HTML Code. You can then refine your selection by highlighting and clicking the Select option. The HTML element monitor can also provide alerts when certain conditions are met. To use this, select the element to monitor, right-click and use the Show Elements HTML Code option. Then click Select with Conditions. You can then select specific data points to monitor and conditions to trigger the alert. This is ideal to get notifications when prices go up or below a certain threshold. You can tap into our optional residential proxies for more complex scenarios, providing access to server locations all around the world. Custom browser actions enable you to perform common browser tasks, including click, type, delay, and scroll. Custom notification channels can be used to receive alerts via Discord, email, Telegram, Slack, Zapier, your browser, or via webhooks. User agent options allow your organization to whitelist Hexawatch. Advanced scheduling options are also available to customize your monitor to your needs.